and the velvet dark, where the kingdom kneels and the throne is veiled. Come, let the rain wash the sin away. Stand on cold stone, thrown behind me heavy with secrets alone. No light, no mercy, just a black crown's cold kiss. I whisper your name, but it cuts like a blade in my wrist. They bow to the void where the false king once bled. I'm the last drop of blood on the altar, undead. The rain falls in silence, no thunder, no scream, just a soft kiss of sorrow washing the dream. Now let it take me, let it wash it all clean. And the rain fall on the veiled throne. Rainfall on the veiled throne. Rainfall on the veiled throne, where the king lies forgotten, the truth gets drowned. Rainfall on the veiled throne. Rainfall on the veiled throne. Every tear I swallow turns to gold in the ground. Come, let the rain fall. Let the rain fall on the veiled throne. With a black crown like a ring on my finger, it pulls me down deep, but the void starts to linger. Shadows remember the name that I used to be. They laugh in the thunder that never answers me. The priest in the dark is singing my requiem. The veil is so thin now I can see through the sin. I'm the king in the rain, I'm the rain and the king. We're both getting washed clean by the tears that we bring. And I let it take me, let it wash it all clean. And the rain fall on the veiled throne. Rainfall on the veiled throne. Rainfall on the veiled throne, where the king lies forgotten, the truth gets drowned. Rainfall on the veiled throne. Rainfall on the veiled throne. Every tear I swallow turns to gold in the ground. Come, let the rain fall. Let the rain fall on the veiled throne. I can feel the crown cracking. The throne starts to weep. No more false kings, just me and the deep.